Hey everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Are you ready to embark on a delicious journey filled with aromatic spices and fluffy rice? Today, we're making chicken kabuli pulao, a classic Afghani dish bursting with flavor. This isn't your ordinary chicken and rice. We're talking tender, succulent chicken pieces nestled in perfectly cooked basmati rice, all infused with warm spices like cardamom and cumin. We'll even add a touch of sweetness with plump raisins and carrots for a vibrant pop of color. So, if you're looking to impress your family and friends with an exotic and flavorful dish, then look no further. Chicken kabuli pulao is sure to become a new favorite. Let's get cooking. Did you know that you can scale the recipes on our website to the number of servings you like? On our website, you can also view the video as well as print out the scaled recipes. You can also adjust the level of hotness you like. This unique feature will help you scale the recipes to your desired servings or hotness. This recipe will make 5 servings. Let us now proceed to the recipe.
Boil 2.5 liters of water with 2 teaspoons of salt. We are using Himalayan salt, but that is not a requirement. Add 3.5 cups of drained rice, soaked earlier for 2 hours. Boil for 8 to 10 minutes. Remember, we are trying to cook them halfway. Remove and strain the rice and put aside. Heat half a cup of oil in a pan. Add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and fry a little. Add 2 medium sliced onions and stir fry till golden brown. As the onion changes color, add 2 sliced cloves of garlic. As the onion turns golden, add 1 kilogram of chicken thighs. Stir fry till the chicken changes color. When the chicken changes color, add 2 cups of water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Cover and let cook. Cook for 10 minutes, turning over once after 5 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the chicken into another dish. Let the remaining water simmer for 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. In about 10 minutes, as the broth thickens a little, strain the mixture into a new pan. Put the broth aside. Heat 1/4 cup of oil in a frying pan. Add julienne cut 2 medium carrots to the oil. Stir fry for about 5 minutes. Remove and put aside. In the remaining oil, add half a cup of raisins and stir fry for about a minute. Add 2 tablespoons of soaked and skinned almonds in the remaining oil and stir fry for about a minute. Pack the carrots, almonds and raisins in aluminium foil.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Pressing the bell icon ensures you are kept up to date on all new videos.
Add 1 tablespoon of oil to the frying pan. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar to the oil. Stir fry the sugar until it melts and turns brown. Slowly add the broth and mix well. Put the mixture aside. In another pan, heat 1/4 cup of oil. 1 sliced medium onion. Stir fry till golden brown. Add the chicken we put aside earlier. Stir fry a little. Add a teaspoon of Indian spice mix. Stir to mix. Add the rice. Pour the stock that we prepared earlier. Gently mix it all. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of Indian spice mix. Place the aluminium foil packet on the top. Pack the lid in a kitchen towel and cover the pot. Leave on the stove for about 25 minutes on low heat. Sprinkle the carrots, almonds and raisins on the rice. Gently mix them all. Enjoy with your friends and family.